Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a very busy day, y'all. I got so much stuff to do today. First I have to go to the store. I feel like I'm always going to the store. I don't know why, but I feel this shit is so nasty. They didn't put no 4 pumps of vanilla in here. I like my coffee sweet. What y'all add to y'all coffee to make it sweet? My God, all I got is a bunch of meat. I mean, that's just what my family like, a bunch of meat. So far, y'all, this is all that I got. Just some junk, some meats, and now I'm out of avocado oil, so I'm about to give you some avocado oil. I might try a different type of oil, maybe grapeseed. Never had grapeseed oil, but I heard it's good for you, so I might try that. Find it. Still drinking my nasty coffee. It's almost over. So y'all, this is everything that I got from the store. All this right here is just meat, more meat, and this is meat too, but this smells bad. These are turkey wings. I think I'm gonna bring these back because they stink. I got 2 big cups of these because sometimes my boyfriend like to eat. He loves macaroni and cheese, toaster strudels, which is for the kids, chicken nuggets, box of Hot Pockets, and also if you have kids, you know kids, they love these Chef Boy. These are good. I get the small ones for my son, big ones for my daughter. I got me some monk fruit sweetener. It's really good. It's like a 0-calorie sweetener. I use it whenever I need to use like sugar or something. I just use that. I got some mixed fruit for my baby. These little bites, also kids love these for my baby. Anything healthy that y'all see is most likely for me. So these are mine. I bought some of these. I got some Cheez-Its, and I found this tea. This is a dieter's tea. It supports weight loss. I'm gonna give this a try and see if this if this could be like a good cheap alternative to weight loss. But also I wanted to get some grapeseed oil. I didn't find none, but I seen this oil, the Thrive Culinary Algae Oil. It says it's best for your heart, and it has good fats in it, so I got some of that. Got some rice, a couple cans of peas. I needed some more black pepper. I was out of that. I got yogurt, just got some eggs, coffee. My boyfriend, he loved this coffee, y'all. Just black silk dark roast coffee. I'm not a fan of it, but he likes it. Also some of these for my baby. He loves these. He was running out of bath wash. This is what I wash my baby with, Aveeno. He has very sensitive skin. I always try to get the nighttime, just kind of help him calm down after I bathe him. Some more mouthwash. I got some vinyl gloves for when I clean, and also I got some sponges too. I wanted to try a different body wash. I don't remember. I think I have bought soft soap before. I'm not sure, but I wanted to give this a try. So I bought this. And I bought some wipes for my butt. And I got some deodorant. This is like the best deodorant, y'all. The Degree Clinical. This is like the only deodorant that really works for me. It keeps me dry. And it keeps me smelling fresh all day. So this is the kind I use. Yes, it's more on the expensive side, but this is what works for me. So got that. I got some Fabuloso. I'm gonna put this in. I have these Airwick centers. I'm gonna put some of this in there and give that a try. I've been seeing a lot of people put that as an alternative to make like the area smell good or whatever. And I just got some Pine Sol to mop with. And I got a pack of teas, the Lipton, the half and half, the iced tea and lemonade. This is the kind that my boyfriend likes too. And that is it for my little grocery haul. Now I'm getting ready to put everything up. And I'll be back. Alright, y'all, they stink so bad. They stink. Ugh. Yeah, these are definitely going back. Back to the stove, David. Eat Dino. Gotta go and pick up my to-do-dies. Time for my booty to come home. I miss my boo. I've been in daycare all day. So that's what we about to go do. We about to go on and get my poo. My poo-poo. And we'll be back. Duty! You don't even see me. Did you? Arrow. Hey, poo-poo. Hey, poo-poo. You ready to go? Thank you. This is how my food came out, y'all. Hey, everybody enjoy the turkey necks. Ain't got that many of them left. I'm not going nowhere else. I'm not going back to the stove. I'm not doing that. I'm just about to finish cooking and drink this wine and enjoy the rest of my evening. But that is the end of today's video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.